Okay, this is lesson 9. We're going to talk about mean, mode, and median. You're going to have a couple of questions about mean, mode, and median. Not only are you going to have it on your math test, but you're going to have it on the social studies, and you're going to have it on the science. So, and range. I have range, and there are not many range questions, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on that. So. Mode is the number that appears most often in the set of numbers. Think the word mode like modus operandi used in detective shows to describe a criminal's repeated behavior. So sometimes when you're watching Perry Mason or some kind of criminal show that says the particular criminal always uses the same kind of car, has the same kind of victim. They use mode operandus. It's what's repeated the most. So if you have a set of numbers, let's say you have 15, 16, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 16 would be the mode, okay? And why do we need mode? Actually, believe it or not, they use it in retail, especially when they're deciding to determine the price of things. You may go to a theme park and you may see a lot of things for the cost of $9.99. And they have found that people are willing to spend $9.99 most often. Those are the items, no matter what it was, that was the price that was sold the most. So they know that is the price that people want to pay, no matter what the product is. So that would be the mode. A lot of things that you think should be cheaper than $9.99 are marked at $9.99, and things that are more expensive maybe aren't $9.99. So that is the mode. That's what the consumers are willing to pay. Median, the median is the middle number that's all set when the numbers are arranged the smallest to the largest. Think of the median as the middle of the road. So when you're driving down the highway, there's the thing in the middle, the yellow line, or sometimes there's a concrete. Or if you go to the store, there's small, medium, and large clothing. So it's what's in the middle. That is the middle. It's not the average, because the average is when you take all the numbers. Median is important especially when you have a lot of outliers. Like we talk about the median income, because we can't have like the super billionaires average into people who have no money, because then it makes everybody else like millionaire. So when you have median, you can see what is really representative of a population. So we have median income instead of having the average income, because that way you don't have those outliers included in the data. Mean is the average. That's just simply what it is. Just think of the mean teacher gives you an average of your grades. You're basically going to add the numbers and divide by the amount. Okay. So when you know how to do this, you're just going to get the average of something. You take all the numbers, add them together, and if you have 3 numbers, 4 numbers, you're going to divide that by the number that you have, 4 or 5. So pretty easy. Range shows the spread of the numbers and the difference between the highest and lowest. The price range, the range of motion that falls between the largest and smallest number. Well, that's the range. Subtract the smallest number from the largest number. That's your range. Practice medium, mean, and range. Mode, find the mode of the set. You have 3, 5, 7, 3, 9, 3, 4. The 3 is going to be your mode. The median is find the median of this set. You're going to arrange them in the numbers from the highest to the lowest. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Going to be, let me write it down. I didn't do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. So it's going to be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be probably 4, right? Yeah, it's going to be 4. All right. All right. Mean is when you find the mean of the set, add together. You're going to add up these numbers. It should be 40 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 8. All right. So we're going to have 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 8 is 18. Plus 10 is 28. Plus 12 is going to be 40. and divide that by 5. That should give us 8. The range, find the range of this set. Subtract the smallest number from the largest number. So we're going to subtract, the largest number we have is 21. The smallest number we have is 9. So we're going to have like 14 or 13. Okay. So we're going to have 21 minus 9. It's going to be 12, yes. Okay, that's the range. Yep. Oh, I got them right. 3, 4, 8, and 9. And I didn't even look at this. So that's the answer key. And you're not going to get a lot of questions like this, but you are going to get maybe 1 or 2 per test. You're not going to have it in the reading or the language arts test, but you will have at least 1 or 2 of these in the science test. You will definitely have 1 in the social studies test, and you'll have probably 2 or 3 in the math test. So it's pretty easy. Just practice them. It's just basically knowing the terminology. And you're getting closer. So now that you've got this, you're around a 135, 140. So just keep practicing and keep adding. We're going to get close to that passing score. So just keep at it. And I'll talk to you later.